Hi, how are you? I'm good, thanks. It's a beautiful day today. So, what are you doing today? Same here. I'm just taking it easy today. Yes, exactly. By the way, what do you like to do in your free time? Oh, really? What kind of movies do you like? Me too. Funny movies are the best. Yes, I do. I love action movies. They're exciting. What about music? Do you like music? What kind of music do you like? Nice. I like rock music. It has good energy. I agree. So, do you have any hobbies? I like playing basketball. It's my favorite sport. Yes, I play on weekends with my friends. Yes, it is. Do you exercise? Walking is good exercise. I like it too. Yes, the morning is the best time. Are you free this weekend? Would you like to watch a movie together? How about Saturday evening? Around 7 o'clock? Great! There's a new comedy movie. Yes, I want to see it. Let's meet at the cinema entrance. Perfect. I'm excited about it. By the way, do you like coffee? Me too. Coffee is great. I like cappuccino. It's sweet and creamy. Black coffee is strong, right? That makes sense. Coffee gives us energy. I love pizza. It's delicious. I like pasta. It's tasty and easy to make. Do you like cooking? That's okay. Practice makes perfect. Yes, sometimes. I like making simple dishes. Yes, it is. And it saves money too. Exactly. So, do you work or study? I'm studying at university right now. I'm studying business. It's interesting. Thank you so much. What do you do at your office? That sounds interesting. Do you like it? That's important. Good people make work better. How is your English practice going? That's wonderful. Practice is very important. That's the best way to learn. You're welcome. Keep working hard. Thank you. You're kind too. Oh, okay. No problem. Yes, definitely. Don't forget, 7 o'clock. Me too. It will be a fun evening. You too. Have a great day. Bye. See you soon.